Like numbers, can we have a different vision for alphabets as well? Can we look at alphabets in a different way? Yes, let's find it out. Suppose, before we start, let us try this question. Suppose if you are given that A is equal to C, similarly B is equal to D, and then you are asked to find the value of E. How can you solve this question? By looking at this pattern. Now, if you clearly see, then A is equal to C. That means here B is skipped. If we write alphabets, all the alphabets in the alphabetical order. Similarly, if I write B is equal to D, that means C is skipped. So, to find out the answer, E is equal to what? The answer will be G, because then we have to skip F to get our answer. Found interesting? Want to learn more questions? Want to learn a different pattern? Hey everyone, this is Gunjan. I welcome you all to my reasoning classes. Our today's topic is alphabetical series. But as usual, before we go further, let's have a look at a very interesting question. Ready everyone? Let's look. Here is the question. I have keys but no locks. I have space but no room. You can enter but you cannot go outside. What am I? Pause the video, try out this question. The answer of this question will be told to you at the end of this video. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Found this question interesting? Let's begin our class. As I told you that our today's topic is alphabetical series. So the very first and very basic thing to get the concept of alphabetical series is to write all the alphabets, but not in that traditional way. Let's learn to write alphabets in some interesting and different way. Ready to learn something new? Let's go ahead. Now, how to write the alphabets? How to write the alphabets? Way of writing the alphabet. See, there are total 26 alphabets, right? So, what I have done is I have divided them equally into two parts. That means I have written 13 alphabets above and 13 alphabets below. I have started from here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. 13 alphabets are over, and then from there only I have written N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That means I have written 13 alphabets above and 13 alphabets exactly below. So, in order to solve and learn a different concept, what you have to do is you also have to write the alphabets in this manner and try out something new. Moving ahead, ready for the class? Are you ready to solve some question? So again, here I'll be explaining you some questions as I have solved the questions in my previous classes. And then after I explain all the questions, again try out the questions yourself. So let's start our class. As I told you that we have to write the alphabets like this. So I have already written all the alphabets here in the same pattern. I hope you will also write to find out the questions. So here is our first question. Today I have taken very basic questions and very interesting questions. I hope this will help you to clear your concept for the alphabetical series. Starting with the first question now. Here I have given you the series as A, C, E, G. What will be the next alphabet? Now, see, they have started the series from A. That means the alphabetical series is started from A. Then C, that means they have directly jumped over the alphabet C. Then E. Then G. Can you see something? This B is not written. This D is also not written. This F is also not written. So, what basically they are following a pattern which you have to judge in these type of question. Similarly, as that of number series, where you have learned so many concepts, here also you will also learn different patterns and different ways of finding out the alphabetical series. So I guess everyone has got the answer. In order to find out the answer, we have to jump one more step and we have to left H. So what will be our answer? I. Yes, very good. I hope everyone is getting these type of questions and you are finding it interesting. Moving ahead. Second question. Why? V S P. So I have to go where? On the position of Y, right? Then V, then S, then P. Now, as you see, the series given to you is written in the reverse order, right? And if I look at this question also, here in place of one alphabets, how many alphabets are skipped? 2. In each case, if we see, 2 alphabets are skipped, right? So I guess everyone has got the answer. You will again skip 2 alphabets and the answer will be M. So this is the reason why I have asked you to write the alphabets all at once in your question so that you can easily guess the series. Writing this alphabetical series will really help you a lot, student. So please write it and then solve such type of questions. Moving ahead. Third question. N, Q, T, W. So starting from the N, here is our N. Then Q, then T, and then W. Now, this is a simple series. It is written in its order, right? Again, the same pattern is followed here. Here, 2 alphabets are skipped in order to get the next alphabet. 2 alphabets are skipped in order to get the next number. So, what will be our answer? This will be Z, the last alphabet of our alphabets. Can you tell me a word for Z? A different word other than the zebra or any other thing which are very common. If yes, write these words to me in the comment section. Moving ahead. Next series is W, S, O, K. Again, let's check out the positions. W, S, O, K. So as you can see, this series is written in the reverse order. So here I can clearly see 3 alphabets are skipped, done. Again 3 alphabets are skipped, done. Again 3 alphabets are skipped. So it's very easy. We will also skip 3 alphabet and we will get our answer as G. Okay, now let's play a game along with this question. Write an animal name starting with the G. It should not be giraffe. Okay? So write an animal name to me in the comment section. Moving ahead. Next series is B, D, G, K. So let's check. Here is our B, D, G and K. Okay, now I guess these are not having equal alphabets skipped. Let's check how many are skipped. Here we have skipped 1 alphabet. Here we have skipped how many alphabets? 2. Here how many alphabets we have skipped? 3. So this will, I guess everyone has got this. To find out the answer, how many alphabets we have to skip? 4. So what will be our answer? P. Okay, now write a place name starting from the P. Okay? Moving ahead. Next series is S, R, P, M. Let's quickly mark. S, R, P, M. Right? If I check between S and R, no alphabet is skipped. That means 0. If I check between R and P, how many alphabets are skipped? 1. If I check again, how many alphabets are skipped? 2. To find out the answer, how many alphabets do we have to skip? 1, 2, 3. So what will be our answer? I. Write your favorite thing starting with the I. Anything which you like starting with the I to me in the comment section. Okay? Moving ahead. Next series is C. Until now, we were dealing with the series in which there were a single alphabet and we are looking forward to that pattern. Now, here we are given 2 alphabets as a pair. Again, the procedure will be same. We have to check both the alphabets and then accordingly we will see what is the pattern followed. Let's try this question. Ready? We are given this series as AB, done, DE, done, GH, done, JK. Right? So as you can clearly see, C is skipped, F skipped, I skipped. So there is a one alphabet skipped in between these pairs of alphabet. To find out the next pair of alphabet, I have to skip one alphabet. So what will be my next pair? M, N. Right? So now write 2 words which are starting from the M and N respectively, and you have to write one flower name starting with the M and N. Okay friends, let's move ahead. Next question is C. Now here we are given 3 alphabet, but again we have to stick to our concept to find out the pattern and then solve the series. Ready? Let's check the pattern quickly. ZYX, UTS, PON, KJI. Firstly, it is written in the reverse order. Okay friends. Now, if I check, there are 2 letters skipped. Here also 2 letters are skipped. Here also 2 letters are skipped. So I guess everyone has got the answer. 2 letters are skipped here. What will be our answer? It will be F, E, D. Dear students, here you have to maintain and write your answer carefully because here you can clearly see the series written is in the reverse order. Right? So our answer will be also in the reverse order only. Don't write D, E, F. It will be wrong. D, E, F is a completely different answer than F, E, D. Please follow the same pattern as you are given. Don't change anything according to your own wish. Moving ahead. Now see, this is a very interesting question and very easy one. A, E, I, O. And the next. Chalo, let's check the pattern as we have done till now. We are given A, E, I, O. Let's check the number of alphabets skipped between them. 1, 2, 3. 3 alphabets. 1, 2, 3. 3 alphabets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 alphabets. What will be our next alphabet then? Here friends, as you have seen, let me clear the screen. Here as you have seen the series, can you quickly remember something from your English subject? A, E, I, O, U. Yes, these all are what? Vowels. That is why they are not following any pattern, any common pattern. Since they all are vowels, we have to write the next vowel which is U. And as you know, there are only 5 vowels in the series and we have 21 consonants, right? So do grab this concept here. Okay, moving ahead. Next, again we are given JL, MO, PR, SU. Let's quickly check it out. J, L, M, O, P, R, S, U. So I guess everyone has got this. In between this alphabet is skipped. Again, no alphabet in between these two alphabet pair. Then MO, N is skipped, PR, Q is skipped, SU, T is skipped. So as this is written in their own order, what will be the answer? It will be V, skipping W, it will be X. So the answer which we get is VX. Got the answer, friends? Okay, now since we have discussed some questions and I have given you the question at the starting of this class, I have keys but no locks. I have space but no room. You can enter but you cannot go outside. What am I? Yes, it's a keyboard. Enjoyed this question? That's all for today. The worksheet for the same will be uploaded on the school mobile app. Practice well, children. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you all for listening. God bless you all. Thank you.